I want to show you how to use Fluxus, that's in our color and contour kit, 2 different ways as a lip liner, one with Oscillate and one with Touch. So I love to use Fluxus as a lip liner with the dual brush, the lip end, and get that precision down. Fluxus is going to give you a really nice natural sort of lip line. I'm going to define the Cupid's bow. So I'm going to add just a little bit of extra contour right here. I also love to do a little bit in the center of the lip to kind of give it a little bit more of a rounded shape. And then the edges. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and use Oscillate, which is a bit more of a glossy, popsicle-y cherry red color straight on to the lip. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want it to kind of melt all together. By mixing the 2 of these together, you're kind of getting like a little bit of a chocolate cherry combo, with the lip liner being a little bit more brown and then the color in the center being more cherry. And you can see it just kind of all melts together and blends in. Super cute, love it. This is Fluxus and Oscillate.